from spectacular sunshine to evening storms, the skies turned grey late this afternoon. Natalia, how's it looking now? Amber, it's wet out there at the moment, but Christmas Day started out nice and fine. The beaches were looking absolutely gorgeous. There was plenty of sunshine and scorching heat, so lots of people out spending Christmas morning at the beach. The skies quickly turned very dark this afternoon. Summer storms rolling in across Sydney. Our western suburbs and the Blue Mountains hit the hardest. They saw plenty of lightning and picked up some very heavy rain. A large tree fell onto a car at Springwood. It narrowly missed power lines and thankfully no one was injured, though it did take crews a while to clean up. You can see those storms making their way across the city this afternoon. 7,000 lightning strikes were recorded within a 30-kilometre radius of Parramatta. Campbelltown has had the most rain, 28 millimetres. 26 has fallen at Camden. A severe thunderstorm warning is currently in place for these areas. Will we see another storm on Boxing Day? I'll have the full forecast later in the bulletin. Amber.